Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and a frequently asked question is how can I start segmenting and filtering data in Google Ads? Well, we're going to show you right now. Just before we do though, don't forget to hit that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. With that out the way, let's show you how to do it. The first thing we want to do is be logged into our Google Ads account. From there, we want to be in the campaign section of the ad account, and we want to go over to the right hand menu bar until we see segment. This gives you a chance to start filtering data out. So we can do it in a couple of different ways. The first one is we can do it on time. So we can look at the hour of the day in which the ads converted the best. Now, what Google is going to do is break it down from 0, which is midnight, all the way up to 2300, which is 11 p.m. at night. Now we can see here in the top campaign at the moment that the best converting time of the day, based on the information available, looks to be 8 p.m. at night. We had 4 conversions there at a cost of just $11.08. That's really cool because the only conversion goal we have got here is for purchases. So that's really cool. Okay, let's go into the next one. Let's say we want to measure the type of conversion action there was. So again, I've gone to segment, I've gone to conversions, and then I've gone to conversion action. Now this is then going to bring up all of the conversion actions that have taken place. Both primary conversions, which is our key tracking objective here, and the secondary conversions, which is things like adding to cart, initiating the checkout, and viewing the product. So if we come across here to all conversions, we can see all of the metrics there. So it provides you a good indication of what campaigns are getting a lot of people to say add an item to their cart versus those that are going on to purchasing an item. Which campaigns are making people drop off the most? Let's say a lot of people are viewing the product, but very few are converting. It allows you to use that data and information and start making adjustments to your campaigns to optimize them more effectively. If we come over to the other ones, we can see by device. You can now look at how people are engaging based on the device that they are using. So that's quite a cool little indication. So from the conversions here, we can see that most of the ones in the PMAX test were from mobile devices. But if we come down a little bit more, we can see that in the search campaign, all of the campaigns were from mobile phones. Computers were the most popular one, up at the top one, but they were only accountable for a third of all the conversions. So that's very interesting, useful information. So you can use that data to narrow the campaign down a little bit more, and let's just say you want to target computers and mobile phones and remove tablets altogether. Right, coming over to how you can see that information on a more regular basis, and that is with modifying the columns. We can currently see that the columns that are showing up here are a range of different things from click-through rate, conversion value, cost per conversion. If you want to add more columns in, we just open the All Columns tab, which is a drop-down tab once again. And then you can just select what other columns you want to have show up. So, for example, if you are wanting to measure phone call leads, you can click on that option. If in the conversions you want to see another thing such as average basket size, if you want to see the total number of lead revenue options available, you can select that one. If we go to the competitive metrics, let's say we want to look at the search lost impression share, we can then click on the apply button. And what that is then going to do is add the new columns in so you can start to see all of the new information that is beginning to feed through, such as the average basket size and lead revenue, for example. So again, it's going to help you as a Google advertiser make more informed decisions. So I hope you found this video useful today. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button once again and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Have a fantastic day, everybody.